In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom logo in Wix Logo Maker and apply it to your site. By the end, you'll have a clean, scalable logo that fits your brand and looks great across your website and social channels. Start on Wix.com and head to your site dashboard. Once you're in, choose the site you want to brand. Open the branding area. This may appear as Site and Mobile App or a similarly named section, depending on your interface. Inside the branding area, look for Logo and Brand or simply Logo. Click that, then choose Get Your Brand or Create Logo to launch the Wix Logo Maker's guided setup. When the guided setup appears, it will ask a few short questions. Select your industry so the tool understands your space. Pick a brand tone, modern, classic, playful, or professional, to set the vibe. Then choose a preferred logo style, such as text only, icon with text, or an emblem. Answering thoughtfully here helps Wix generate stronger, more relevant starting points. Next, review the logo options it suggests. Scroll through and look for a design that feels close to your vision. Click the one you like most to make it your starting design. Remember, you can refine everything in the next step. Open the full editor by clicking Edit. Here is where your logo takes shape. Tweak colors and test them on both light and dark backgrounds to make sure contrast is strong. Choose fonts that reflect your brand personality while staying readable. Clean sans serifs often feel modern, while rounded or handwritten styles feel more playful. Add icons or simple shapes that represent your business, and use alignment tools to keep spacing balanced. Try a few layouts. A horizontal version is great for website headers, while a stacked version can shine in small spaces like app icons or profile images. Keep things simple and consistent so your logo remains recognizable. Before finalizing, check scalability. Preview the logo at large sizes for banners and at tiny sizes for social, thumbnails, or favicons. Confirm that the text stays legible and the icon is still clear. If details disappear, increase weight, simplify shapes, or adjust letter spacing. When you're happy, click Save or Done. Apply your new logo to your Wix site header through your header settings or theme options, and use it across social media, business cards, and other brand materials to keep your presence consistent. That's it. You've created a custom logo with Wix Logo Maker that matches your brand's personality and works everywhere. If you found this helpful,